But for today's midweek meditation, I wanted to focus on taking a break in trading. And a lot of you know, if you followed the channel, that I am a big fan of W.D. Gann, who developed Gann swing analysis and a lot of the technicals for price and time analysis that we use in trading. But if you read his books, from the 30s, 40s, 50s, he also instilled a lot of everyday and trading related wisdom in his writing. They were almost like little proverbs sprinkled in between. And he was a proponent of taking a break from trading at least once a year. Once a year, he would completely get out of the market to give himself a chance to clear his mind and reset and come back fresh. Now, I know we can't all do that today because of tax implications and what have you, but I think the principle is still worth thinking about. Maybe you reduce some of your options positions once a year. This summer hasn't been a slow time, but is often a great time for doing that, where you just structure your portfolio in a way where you don't have to monitor as much. Or I have a friend that purely day trades crypto and equities, and he sets a rule for himself that if he hits 3 losses on trades in a day, he is out for the day and he takes a break. And sometimes he will take a couple of days off. Or if he makes what his goal is for the week, rather than getting greedy, he says, okay, I've hit my mark for the week. I'm going to take the rest of the days off. And it gives him a chance to reset, focus on other things in life, clear up his mind to come back fresh. So I think there's a lot of value to take away from that. The one thing I will say, now that we are getting into fall, there are times in the market where it presents outsized opportunities and we want to pay attention.